Introducing Bentley's future design language for the electric era. Prepare to be captivated by the elegance and power of their latest creation. Meet the Batur, a limited run, collector's dream, and the epitome of British eccentricity. Only 18 of these remarkable vehicles will ever be made, and they have already been eagerly claimed by Bentley's most discerning customers. Priced at £1.65 million each, this remarkable coupe showcases Bentley's commitment to pushing boundaries. But what makes the Batur truly special goes beyond its price tag. Under the hood lies a 6.0-liter W12 engine, delivering a staggering 740 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. This magnificent powerhouse marks the pinnacle of Bentley's petrol era. However, the Batur also represents the beginning of a new design era for Bentley. As the automotive world transitions to electric vehicles, Bentley's new design director, Andreas Mint, has embarked on a bold mission to reimagine the brand's visual language. Mint's attention to detail is evident in the Batur's signature feature, the trim bar. Crafted in titanium, this sleek element stretches from the leading edge of the bonnet, gracefully extending the perceived length of the car's front end. The Batur's front graphic showcases a self-confident grille, mounted lower and more upright than ever before. The mesmerizing headlights, with their intricate LED patterns, signify Bentley's transition from traditional to modern luxury. The Batur's sleek and streamlined rear design, with slimmed light clusters and a darkened lower panel, exudes an air of sophistication and dynamism. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that exemplifies Bentley's commitment to craftsmanship. 3D printed gold elements, such as the transmission knob and vent controls, add a touch of opulence. The upholstery stitch pattern echoes the iconic radiator grille, creating a harmonious blend of luxury and design. But the Batur isn't just about stunning design, it's a testament to Bentley's dedication to exceptional performance. With advanced chassis systems and enhanced handling dynamics, this car promises an exhilarating driving experience. Bentley's Batur is not only a triumph of engineering and design but also a harbinger of the brand's electric future. It represents the first step in Bentley's journey to redefine what luxury means in the age of electric mobility. Prepare to be amazed as Bentley paves the way to a new era of automotive excellence, where power, elegance, and electric innovation merge seamlessly. The Batur, a true masterpiece in motion.